Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an EMEET AirFlow wireless Bluetooth earphones, earbuds with the microphone set up like shown here, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these, the earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or the microphone is not working, or anything like this. It keeps disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, so only one ear is working, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever situation where you want to wipe all the pairing, clear the pairing history, so that you can go ahead and set these up basically like they're a brand new set of earphones or a brand new headset. It's really easy. All we need to do is put them in the case with the lid open, with the case open as shown here, and we're just going to do a long press on the earbuds, and we're going to count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After 10 seconds, we can take our fingers off, and the earbuds should be reset to their factory default settings. We can go ahead and take them out, set them up like a brand new set, like a brand new headset.